Hi, today I'm going to show you a budget-friendly, delicious chicken kebab recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled potatoes. Add half a cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Add 1/3 cup of chopped onions. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now, mix thoroughly until well combined. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and mix until well combined. This is the best kebab recipe. In the meantime, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon to not miss any new recipes. Now grease your hands with oil and take a piece of the mixture. Roll and shape it like this. Now, in a bowl, crack 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. And mix well. In another bowl, add breadcrumbs. Now, take a kebab and dip it in the egg mixture and let it coat evenly. Then, place the kebab in the breadcrumbs and coat it evenly, and place it aside in another plate. Repeat this process for all kebabs. In a pan, add cooking oil, which is enough for frying. When the oil starts bubbling when you place a toothpick in it, then it is time to start placing the kebabs in the oil. Now, fry the kebabs until it has a beautiful golden brown color. Flip the kebabs and fry it until it is golden brown. Now that it's ready, remove from the pan and serve. Just have a look at this crispy, flavorful, and aromatic chicken kebab recipe which we made with a few ingredients. Anyway, I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.